Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Even though the U.S. military has its hands full in Iraq, the armed forces are bringing in the big guns to help sign up potential soldiers. They're putting more recruiters on the streets, spending $180 million on promotions. Ads appear on ESPN, and there's even a website that allows users to chat with recruiters 24 hours a day. And as Newslink Indiana's Terry Heifetz reports, the Army is also counting on another group of people to point out the positives of serving.
This is not a real battle.
It's like a high-tech video arcade.
And these are not soldiers firing the weapons. They are educators getting a lesson in Army training at Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri.
The primary purpose of bringing educators here is the fact that we want to show you up close and personal what the Army experience is all about.
The Army paid for about 24 educators from Indiana and northern Kentucky, including me, to take part in the 3-day session.
I grew up around the military, but it never hurts to refresh your understanding of what the military is all about.
And the educators say they did get a better understanding. They saw what you might expect, obviously nervous recruits entering 9 weeks of basic training, soldiers practicing rappelling, and military police learning to catch a crook. But the Army wanted to teach the teachers something else.
There's a total of nearly 70 different degree programs.
The military is also about education. Soldiers spend hours in the classroom learning electrical and engineering skills. They can earn a degree from an outside school while they're at the base.
And it was also interesting to find out that there was both online classes as well as face-to-face classes, depending on what the soldier preferred.
And the Army's classrooms have all the technology you'd find on most college campuses. So what will these teachers take back home?
I think I would encourage folks who are graduating from high school or maybe a student at Ball State University to actually consider the Army or the military for what educational opportunities and career opportunities might be available to them.
The soldiers are trying to learn more, understand more, and as a result, protect us. Without that, we wouldn't have the freedoms that we enjoy. For that, I'm really, really grateful.
At Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri, Terry Heifetz, Newslink, Indiana.
The active Army recruited 77,587 soldiers in fiscal year 2004, surpassing its goal of 77,000. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.